Hey guys, it's Church of Florida Parks After Dark. We are here at Animal Kingdom Park. It's at closing time, but wanted to zip over here and show you guys. One, that we're here. Two, that's Disney's 100th at Animal Kingdom. Let's get that lined up. Look at that. And three, and most importantly, the Animal Kingdom Christmas tree. And we've been coming to the park for a long time, and this is fantastic. So we're going to go in and take a closer look. Look, they take the pictures here. Lines of people to get a photo, and you guys are going to see up close. So come with me. So as you get in here, you get up close. You got lions, animals, and at the base of the Christmas tree, they got the trees, and they got the animals around, rhinos, and you come up, the lighting is just subtle, it's just beautiful, and this tree is huge. Hidden Mickey tucked in there, right there. And there's an African star snowflake, zebra head, you got him from the Jungle Book. Jiminy Cricket's hidden in there. What is he doing here? And then you got Pumbaa, another guy's from Lion King. Who else showed up? What? Tigger. What is Tigger doing here? And then Piglet, Eeyore. Go around, not trying to interrupt anybody's selfie.
Oh, that was pretty blurry. Oh, that was so cute.
And they got Kanga and Roo. And then here's an alligator. And I don't think it's TikTok croc. I think it's just an alligator. But then you got the Christmas ball with Chip and Dale spinning. Turn around and there's a train. And then there's characters from Jungle Book. That is Animal Kingdom tree. And to show you what they've done, which I don't know if you guys know this, we knew this, we're gonna have to experience it. Right here is the Rainforest Cafe. And we'll just kind of go to the entrance to get a sense on what that's like. You got the waiting area. And this is the check-in desk. How cool is that? So we're going to come in here and we're going to do a whole vlog on Rainforest Cafe. Right now I just want to show you kind of what it's like. Real immersive. So we're going to come back out and take a look. I'll show you the menu, but one thing I'll tell you about it, not cheap. So here's your apps and your seafood. Soup salads, beef, pork, and chicken. Now, if anybody had noticed something right there, there wasn't a price on the menu. Should tell you something. But look, I want to show you something else. Look at the view from here of the tree. I just had to snap a few pictures of that because that's just a great shot. Christmas tree, the palm trees, kind of the juxtaposition of the two things. It's great. Now they added something else here. And it's a photo booth kind of thing. I want to show you guys this. As everybody leaving. Park just closed. I think there's an evening thing going on because those people are coming in. But yeah, so. So over here is a chance to do kind of a winter scene photo thing with the animal kingdom. Look at that. Pretty neat, right? So, but that's it. So guys, this is George from Florida Parks After Dark. Take one more look at the tree. Sit back and enjoy this. Pan over. And guys, make sure you like and subscribe. And you guys have a fantastic night. Take care.